Hey there, Wealthy Ways fam. Embarking on the road to financial freedom can sometimes feel like navigating a minefield, especially when there are a handful of common financial boo-boos waiting to trip us up. But fear not. Today we're going to unveil the top 5 financial missteps people often tumble into and arm you with savvy strategies to hop over them. So grab a comfy seat, maybe a cup of your favorite brew, and let's journey through these money mishaps together. Ready to dodge some financial faux pas? Let's dive in. Error number 1, not budgeting. One of the foundational errors in managing finances is not having a budget. A budget is your financial blueprint. It guides you on how much you earn, how much you can spend, and how much you need to save or invest. Without a budget, you're financially blind, leading to overspending and eventual debt. It's akin to sailing a boat without a compass. It's crucial to document your income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, and savings. There are fantastic apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to help keep your finances in check. Remember, a budget is not restrictive. It's liberating as it gives you control over your finances. Error 2, not saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and financial surprises are part of the package. Not having an emergency fund is like driving a car without a spare tire. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer during unforeseen situations like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small if necessary. Even a small emergency fund is better than none. Online savings accounts are a great place to keep your emergency fund, as they often offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. Error 3, misusing credit cards. Credit cards can be a double-edged sword. While they offer convenience and rewards, misusing them can lead to a mountain of debt and financial ruin. The common mistake is treating credit cards as free money, which it's not. It's borrowed money that comes with high interest rates if not paid off in full each month. Be aware of your credit limit and try to keep your credit card balance low. Understanding the terms of your credit card and paying the full balance monthly can help avoid unnecessary interest and fees. It's advisable to use credit cards wisely, reaping the benefits without falling into the debt trap. Error 4, not investing. Letting money sit idle in a savings account is a common financial mistake. Inflation eats away the purchasing power of your money over time. Investing, on the other hand, allows your money to grow and potentially outpace inflation. Whether it's investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, it's essential to have a diversified investment portfolio aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It might seem intimidating at first, but with research and perhaps guidance from a financial advisor, you can make informed investment decisions. Error 5, falling for financial scams. In an increasingly digital world, financial scams have become more sophisticated and common. Falling for financial scams can have devastating effects on your financial health. Common scams include phishing emails, fraudulent investment schemes, and imposter scams. It's crucial to be vigilant, educate yourself about common scams, and always verify the legitimacy of financial opportunities. Before making any financial decisions, do thorough research, consult with trusted financial advisors, and be wary of offers that seem too good to be true. Adopting a cautious approach can save you from significant financial loss. Before we conclude, let's quickly recap the 5 common financial mistakes we discussed today. First, not budgeting. Keep a detailed budget to manage your finances effectively. Second, not saving for emergencies. Establish an emergency fund for unforeseen expenses. Third, misusing credit cards. Use credit cards wisely to avoid debt and enjoy the benefits. Fourth, not investing. Invest wisely to grow your wealth and beat inflation. Fifth, falling for financial scams. Stay vigilant and educate yourself to avoid falling prey to scams. Avoiding these common financial mistakes can set you on a path to financial stability and success. It's about being informed, making wise decisions, and taking control of your financial destiny. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Until our next Money Talk, stay savvy, Wealthy Ways community.